Mantap, akhirnya terpecahkan adik-adik. Buset, patungnya nyala, Cok.
Oh, thought maybe there'd be a bridge.
What the fuck, apa ini adik-adik?
Giants need to test us further.
Kita dikasih jalan. Thank you ya, Pak. Coba pecahin. Gila.
There's a crystal in that torch hole. Should I light it?
Aduh, gimana cara kita lewatinnya?
Guess we have to go down and go up.
Nah, mana anak gua? Oh, ini dia.
These passages seem too small for giants.
Buset, kita masuk ke gua apa ini, Cok?
Oh, you're serious?
I am always serious.
I forget. Mom always said you never took an interest in history. Giants are just a race, like elves and Holgerfolk. It doesn't mean they're big.
Let's go, nah.
What of the world serpent?
Ini kita ada di mana, adik-adik?
Giant also means big. There's only one.
Patung tadi nyuruh kita kemana, coy? Ada 2 jalan. Coba kita lihat sini. Gila, diangkat sama si. Tembak, nah. Tembak, nah. Kita kena. Ya. Mau lagi kau? Tembak, nah. Nice. Ini, nah. Tuh, kagak kena bapak, sorry ya. Nah, gas kena. Mati juga kau. Ini lubang apa, adik-adik? Kalian hancurin semua jalan ini. Wih, ada. Ada magma, guys. Nah, tembak, nah, bantu, nah. Nice. Gila, Komo bersama anak tercinta ya. Mantap banget sih combo Bang Adrian. Tiba-tiba hidup nih. Gila, terowongannya makin sempit adik-adik.
This is a lot of bodies.
Banyak banget mayat di sini, Cok. Lihat, sampai banyak kerangka-kerangka. Kalau Bang Adrian yang ada di sini sih,
Well,
udah muntah kayaknya nih Bang Adrian.
Giants.
Lihat, banyak banget mayat di sini.
treasure. See the traps?
Banyak bangke ya.
Lucky for us, they set them all off.
Be grateful these stay dead.
Gila, didoprak aja, Cok, sama si gundul
The
ini.
statue. We made it across.
Boy, over here.
Apa
Yes,
ini,
sir.
Nak?
I've seen this language before.
Dapat gulungan, lumayan. Gak tahu gulungan apa. Banyak banget gulungan di sini. Nah, coba baca ini, Nak.
Can you read it?
Sir. Oh, this is Durothron, one of the 4 stags of the World Tree. He's supposed to watch the entrance to Jotunheim while the giants sleep.
Apa katanya, cuy?
Think he's still there?
I do not know.
Ada chest. Lah, kita balik lagi ke patung ini. Apakah kita salah ambil jalan, adik-adik? Tapi ini ada pintu sih. Coba ke, wih. Gaskan dulu guys. Mode bantai dulu cok. Meninggal kau ya. Pompeius. Oh. Nah, tembak nah.
Where to now?
Ada Bang Asage,
Peak is still our
anjay
goal.
Kratos, anjay
We
Bang
find a
Asage.
way up.
Nah, ini kan jalan yang tadi ketutup, cok.
It's that weird sap again.
Nah, coba nak kesini nak. Lama banget. Nah, coba baca ini nak. Apa ini, cok? Bentuknya kayak sesuatu ya adik-adik. Oh, dia butuh batu. Guys. Cari batu, guys. Apa ini adik-adik? Wah. Lumayan. Jalannya banyak banget, bikin Bang Adrian pusing. Buka chest dulu, guys. Lumayan, dapat apa tuh? Coba kita naik. Let's go nak.
Wow. The highest peak in the realms. Think Mom knew this was the Giant's Mountain?
No, the request has been more complicated than she could have foreseen.
It's a name, I think. Brasley. It means terror.
Apa katanya?
What's that?
Ntar.
Weird. There's a candle all tangled up with string and some sort of animal.
Lah, kagak.
Some kind of lantern?
Sabar nah. Jangan ajak Bapak ngomong dulu. Bapak
That is of no use to us. The Bifrost
Serius, ya?
lights our way.
Ada pintu adik-adik. Apakah kita coba buka? Pencet lagi, aduh. Gas kena. Kita ada di tempat apa adik-adik?
What is all this?
Tempat apa ini?
Where are we?
A mine. And if this claw reaches the summit, our goal is near.
Pintunya ketutup
How do we
sendiri.
use it?
Otomatis ya teman-teman.
Looks like something's supposed to roll on these.
Coba kita review satu-satu ya. Di sini ada apa, guys? Di sini ada alat. Tapi gak tahu ini alat buat apa.
I think I see how this works. The claw's on one side, and if we get this unstuck,
Nah.
oh no!
Gila,
I think the
anaknya
rope's
ceroboh
stuck under
banget,
that
coy.
rock.
That was careless.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Untung nggak ketarik ya.
Stop. But maybe we can find our way up from there.
Waduh.
After, you
Muncul
know,
monster, guys.
getting rid of those things.
Gaskeun, tembak nah.
Sorry, not
Coba keras, Cok. Ayolah, perang dulu lah. Aduh, ini harus mundur dulu, Cok. Mana pedang Bang Adrian? Pedangnya mana? Kaget. Coba kita review satu-satu dulu. Takut ada yang ketinggalan nanti. Ini aman kan? Ada yang bisa diambil? Tuh kan ini ada jalan sebenarnya.
Machinery in here looks almost dwarven.
Apa ini?
The stonework, that's dead Leoden. I think the giants not only mine
Ntar Bang Adrian sambil nyari nyawa dulu ya. Barang-barang busuk, Cok. Bentar, di bawah Bang Adrian kayak lihat sesuatu. Nah, coba nah baca ini, nah.
Read it.
Apa ini, nah?
Yes, sir.
artinya?
That's funny.
How so?
One hand wrote, Jotnar only. And another wrote, and also dwarves. Should we add to it?
No.
Apa katanya? Nyawa dulu. Apakah ada yang bisa diambil lagi? Ada pintu, Cuk.
We'll need something to get through this one.
Dikunci. Segana kita kesana dulu, nak. Ada cahaya di sini.
I was wondering
Buset,
who moved
ketemu
up
si
every
Brok
robbery
lagi, Cok.
in
Si
the
Brok
mountain.
ada di mana-mana, teman-teman.
Should've figured.
What
You
the
had a
fuck?
way around the Black Breath all along.
Now don't go thinking I could have gotten you past it, you big sack.
Kenapa lu ada
I
di
got ways
mana-mana,
around
anjir?
most everything, especially up here. Time was, my folk had the run of this joint.
Gila, keren banget si Brok,
Improved the
Cok.
design of the Jotnar traps and built workarounds to boot. Why you think they're so devious? Oh, that reminds me. Watch out for traps.
Si Brok ternyata pro player, Cok. Bisa masuk sini dia.
You didn't happen to run yourself afoul of a scruffy fella, about yay high, doesn't feel pain, sounds drunk but probably just slow? Hey, how'd you think I feel about it? If I'd wanted Aesir business, I'd have set up shop outside a brothel. Or a fight pit. Or a fighting brothel.
Did he say Aesir? Like gods?
No.
Sure,
Bang,
I'm
coba dong
open.
racing ini punya Agis. Racing dulu adik-adik, mantap. Not bad.
Always a pleasure. Now fuck right along. Be extra careful out there, you two. The roads are teeming with more than usual complement of dead assholes lately.
We've noticed. Any idea where they're coming from?
Maybe they ran out of rooms in hell. Or could be Odin stirring up trouble again. Or maybe they all got lost. Why don't you ask one while he's chewing your face off?
We'll just be careful.
Thought so.
Kita harus hati-hati katanya, guys. Coba Bang Evan review dulu sini, siapa tahu ada
How
sesuatu
big
ya.
is this place?
It is a mountain. Big.
Tuh banyak banget, Cok. Tempat-tempatnya. Adrian sampai bingung mau kemana. Siapa tahu ini barang-barang si Brok, guys. Kita coba hancurin ya. Siapa tahu nemu harta karun di sini. Malah ada jalan rahasia, cuy. Gila, si Brok ini sebenarnya siapa dia aja? Bisa ada di mana-mana, penjual handal, Cok.
More traps.
Set, ada
There's
jebakan,
a
Cuk.
tunnel, but you won't fit.
Take it.
Okay.
Gaskeun, gaskeun. Siap-siap ya, nak. Oh, kita harus lari sekencang-kencangnya adik-adik. Siap, nak? Bapak akan mulai ya. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ketutup.
You okay?
Of course.
Itu ada jalan. Kok kemana itu? Gak bisa di sini ya. mana lagi? Wah, anak gua lewat situ, Cok. Curang amat.
I don't know what we're still
Cari
doing.
jebakan lagi, teman-teman. Gaskan, gas kena, gas kena, gas kena. Nah, cepat sini masuk, Cok.
Ready?
Mana musuhnya? Oh, ini. Hei, kau jangan ngapa-ngapain anakku ya.
I'm not ready.
Berani banget. Di atas dia. Tembak nah. Nice, combo yang sangat mantap anakku.
Looks kind of heavy.
I can move it.
Ada jalan loh di sini. Gimana cara masuknya? Gimana cara masuk ke dalamnya, Cuk? Gak bisa masuk ke dalam ini mah.
Now where should
Suara
we
apa
go?
itu? Ini gak bisa dibuka. Berarti kita ke... Anjir, apa itu? Kawan apa tadi adik-adik? Ini nggak bisa.
What happened to him?
It died.
Oh, ini harus didorong adik-adik.
And we're stuck. Card's still attached to
I
the...
see that.
Tembak itu, nak. Duh, gua gak bisa di itu, Cok.
There.
Maksud gua itu.
Let's go!
Ketemu Babang Kratos. Halo Bang Badut Peneman.
That's it!
Stop, stop, stop. Woi, woi, kelebihan tos. Oh, mantap. Ntar, Bapak ambil ini dulu ya. Nah, kan lumayan.
Maybe there's a way through that big gate up there?
Mas ke naik, 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 naik. Jangan banyak cincong ya. Sudah jalan sama bapak ini. Gas ke nak, sini nak.
Look! Another lantern!
Broken. Leave it.
Look at the leaf. There's something special about them. I can feel it. It's working!
Nah, mantep banget. Jalannya kebuka. Let's go, let's go, let's go.